Mastering cause and effect in verbal communication. Hello, language learners. Today we're going to take your English language skills to the next level by diving into a very important aspect of academic and professional vocabulary: cause and effect relationships. Understanding and effectively communicating cause and effect relationships can significantly improve your speaking skills and make your arguments more persuasive and understandable. When we discuss cause and effect, we're talking about the relationship where one event, the cause, makes another event happen, the effect. For example, if it rains, the cause, the ground gets wet, the effect. Now, in verbal communication, expressing these relationships clearly can help your listener understand your point better. Consider this: instead of saying, "It rained. The ground is wet," you could say, "The ground is wet because it rained." In this case, because is a cause and effect connector. Learning and practicing with these connectors will make your English more fluid and coherent. To effectively communicate cause and effect relationships, you need to master the usage of certain connectors, which are words or phrases used to link ideas. Here are a few important ones. 1. Because, as we discussed earlier, this is a straightforward way to express cause and effect. 2. As a result, this phrase is used to show the outcome of a cause. For example, I studied hard for my English exam, and as a result, I got an A. 3. Therefore, similar to, as a result, this word is used to link cause and effect. For instance, it was raining. Therefore, we canceled the picnic. 4. Due to, this phrase is used to indicate a reason or cause. For example, the game was canceled due to rain. Remember, it's important to use these connectors appropriately to communicate cause and effect accurately. Now, let's practice with some exercises to improve your understanding and usage of cause and effect in speaking. Exercise 1. Choose the correct cause and effect connector to complete the sentence. 1. She failed the test she didn't study. Because. Due to. 2. The concert was postponed. Severe weather conditions. As a result. Due to. Exercise 2. Create your own sentences using each of the cause and effect connectors we learned today. Practicing these exercises will reinforce your understanding of how to effectively use cause and effect in speaking. And that's a wrap. Remember, mastering the art of communicating cause and effect relationships can make a huge difference in your English speaking skills, particularly in academic and professional contexts. Don't forget to practice, practice, practice. With consistent effort, you'll see your proficiency improve over time. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep learning.